Such a sunny day. Fortunately, it's a little bit cold and windy. We don't have much time here to hang around, but we're gonna make the best out of it. We're going today to the Lumberjack Show. How's it called? The Lumberjack what, Chris?
The Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show.
Okay, so we're going to the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show. Yeah. So Chris Wong is here trying to record. It's a little bit windy right now, and we're looking forward for this show.
Hi! So it's a very sunny day in Ketchikan. It's a little bit windy. We're outside of the Ovation of the Seas. We're going to see a very famous show. We could have been there,
Yeah.
but no, we had to see naked men chopping wood.
So
Just joking.
we're going to the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show. Yeah, it's a pretty long name. So it's a very famous show. Everybody comes here. That's the main attraction here in Ketchikan. So we're looking forward to it. I've seen videos of it, and it seems a lot of fun.
It seems a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to
Very
it.
excited.
Yes. I'm just gonna go for experience. Pretty sure Monica's going to see those guys over there. I'm not jealous. It's okay. Yeah, I used to be like that. This is the view of the marina here in Ketchikan.
Ketchikan is actually a very nice city.
Indeed, it's a very nice port comparing to other Alaskan ports. This one is really, really nice.
We cannot wait to explore it as well because it's the first time for us in Ketchikan. We haven't been out that much because we always sail early. So let's see today. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so see you at the show. So we're at the line for the Lumberjack Show. It's actually a very long line. We didn't expect it to come that early. We're 15 minutes earlier, so if you guys come here to see the show, plan ahead. Make sure you're coming at least 20 to 25 minutes earlier,
Yep.
because we came out 15 minutes earlier and the line was long already. So, yeah, prepare ahead. Hey, here we are. This is where everything will happen. We just need to go and find our seats. It's a little bit windy today. We got Theresa, Giuseppe, Katerina, and Chris. They're very busy talking. And Monica's in the front. Everything for the blog. That's what she said. So that's why she's in there. So in the entire show, we can see Monika watching the show.
Yeah.
The Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show is a world-famous lumberjack competition that takes place every year in Ketchikan, Alaska. The competition is open to anyone who wants to participate, and it attracts some of the best lumberjacks from all over the world. However, this one is just a family-friendly attraction that celebrates the estate's lodging heritage. The show features competitive lumberjacks events like log rolling and axe throwing, as well as live music and comedy. You can see Monika is trying to get one of those pictures with these guys. Let's see if she got it going.
I saw that. We all saw that.
I got lucky.
So that was the show. Monika, what do you think about the show?
I love the show. Look at what I got.
We all saw that. Not only that, she also got the picture. Mm. It was a really good show. Fun. It was a lot of fun.
Look at this underwear.
We came here to buy salmon. I think we're getting this one.
Everything looks tasty.
This is the specialty here in Ketchikan. See, back and sealed salmon. They have many different kinds of jam. Alaskan
They have a
smoked
blueberry
salmon,
jam.
sockeye almond, smoked octopus. Everything looks very nice. Which one are you getting? You getting both? Wow. Yeah. Enjoy the amazing view here in Ketchikan.
So far, Ketchikan is my favorite city in Alaska. Look at this view. Look at the houses, the trees, everything.
So we're struggling to find a restaurant.
Because you know we like to eat.
Subway was closed, then there was another Chinese restaurant next to it. It was closed too. And
So we're looking for another Chinese restaurant.
yes, so Chris is taking us to another Chinese restaurant. So we came to a Thai restaurant
Again.
again, but this time, Chris, let me ask you, how many Thai teas do you have lately since you're hanging around with us?
Every meal, every time we go out to bar, it's like number 5 or 6.
But this time, it has bubbles.
Every time we got bubbles.
Yeah.
This straw is too big, so be careful when you.
That's the reason
take
why it is big, so you can have the bubble.
Yeah, but be careful because it will go straight away in your throat.
We left the restaurant. We didn't enjoy that much, but it's okay. We're full now.
So yeah, if you wanna eat in Ketchikan, you can find free salmon by the river. It's dead, but it's free, so you can grab it.
Yeah.
That's what the waiter told us.
So we're going for a walk now. There is a little dead salmon, as you can see, and it doesn't smell nice.
What do you mean? It smells like powder.
Yeah.
Looks really, really nice here.
Hola.
Oh, look, this salmon dying. This one right here, look, you see? It's swimming.
Wow.
This is Dolly's house, where both men and salmon came upstream to spawn. Boom! Yeah. So, again, this is the place where you get for some salmon cakes. Chris, let's go. Everything for the vlog. Rimples in Dolly's house. So this is the exit. Beautiful. You see, we should have come here earlier. Why are you just passing in now and we have to go back? Hi, how are you, darling? There you go. You see? Blow the tip. So that was the iconic
can take a
Creek
photo of you.
Street. We had Dolly's house, the restaurants, some shops. Yeah. And this is it, guys. We are going back to the ship now.
I'm very sad. Ketchikan, like, I can definitely say it's one of my favorite cities. In Alaska, it's very pretty. It's like a must say. Like, come to Alaska, come to Ketchikan.
Yeah, shame that we have to go back now.
It's a shame that you also have only one port.
Yeah.
I mean, one Ketchikan.
Yes.
I wish we could have had more.
Yeah, but it was a great day. Indeed, it was a very, very nice day.
And very sunny, which is rare.
Well, it was quite windy too, but it was good.
Yeah.
The Lumberjack show was really good. Very
It
nice.
was amazing.
Monika got her
Ladies.
picture. And yeah, just we're gonna find many options to eat, but besides that, everything was amazing. It's a nice city to walk around. So that's it for today, guys. Hey, we're looking forward to see you next time.
Ciao.
Ciao.